to the Tactical Trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Monday, the 20th of May. These are the charts of the day. Well, the markets had a nice little snapback at the close and finished positively for the most part, making new highs. So the rally rolls on, but it's very vulnerable up here. Nevertheless, there's some stocks looking great. Look at AEYE. What a chart. One of my favorites. Big set of a base when it was only 5, and it's gone from 5 to 25 just in the last 4 months. Today's action took it up another 350 or 16%. Not a heavily traded stock, 459,000, and that's a good day for it. Extension target now 29. ALAR continues to look great, coming out what looks like a little bit of a 2.5 week flag. If this thing runs to 31.5, I'm looking for high 30s and low to mid 40s. ASTS, huge engulfing reversal day on a mere 25 million, which is a lot for that stock to say the least. But look, this engulfing reversal bar is telling me we're going to 670, my next target. Boyle swing acting great, continuing to push. Up another $1.31 or almost 7% today. I want to show you the channel that it's in. Here's a hourly look. Nice round angle. We're looking for 22.5. That's Boyle. CLSK in the crypto world coming out of a coil. It appears it snapped back from 1570 to 1853. Trading 1815 after hours up to 12 or 13%. My targets 24.5 and 30. DYN exploded today, spiked from 25 to 36, finished 35, 38, up 770, 28%. Closing at the upper end of the range is very positive. My target now 40 and 45. EBS continues its recent rising angle of ascent after the spike up breakaway gap about 2 weeks ago, but yet it's not giving it back at all. My target is now 7.5, 8. ETHE in the crypto world, along with GBTC and several others running. Crypto stocks had a big afternoon rally. This one snapped back from 22 3/4 to 29.61, finishing trading at 28.61 after hour. Up 541. Now looking for a retest of the low to mid 30s. GTBP with a big day today, 80 million shares, jumping from about 3.5 to almost 10.5, trading 780 after hours. This might have enough momentum to make a run into the low to mid teens. HIMS was a significant explosive move today, went from 14 to 20. Excuse me, trading just under 19 after hours, up 436, 30% gain today. Momentum could carry this to 24, maybe even 28. Mara in the crypto world breaking out of a multiple week, about 6 week consolidation. Looks like it's headed for a retest of resistance near 25. ML or swing right up against key resistance and the highest close we've seen other than this one right there. To get to this level, 95 and 110 are targets. MRNA broke out yesterday, followed through today, jumping another 8 points or 6%. Now I have eyes on 160 as your next target. NovoCure with an ascending bull wedge, very bullish. This stock could explode to 17, 19. Those are my swing targets, possibly mid to high 20s beyond that. Nvcr, steady as she goes, rising sharp angle, taking it from 12 to 24, doubling into the gap here. That gap fill would get me to about 29. PTCT with some positive drug news today, popped but pulled back, still finished near 40, up almost 7. Momentum could carry this one, my target high 40s. Seed in an ascending bull wedge as well, very similar to NVAX. I think this stock could spike to 8 or 9. Sweetgreens popped a week ago, and coil today popped out of that little pennant or coil, whatever you want to call it. I have a $40 target. STOK popped 4 days ago, and then settled in for a couple, but resumed its advance today with a test of the spike high from March. You get to this level, 21 and 26 are your targets. And finally, VFS broke out last week in wedge, and today broke out of the wedge. It closed above resistance. I can see an extension to 7.25, maybe even 8.5 or more. And that's it for tonight, everybody. The best of the best at the techtrader.com. Good night, everybody.